Hello, Aris. So this is your quick oracle reading. Ang gamit natin is si Dark Mirror. So if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. So let's check. Ano bang message para sa'yo? So we have here is number 5, Gilded Regret. Now, 5 in numerology kasi, this is the number of actions and movement. And it could also represent the 5th house in astrology, which is about creativity. Alam mo, sabi nga nila crying over spilled milk, hindi na kailangan. Okay, nagkamali ka before, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, forever ka na kailangan mong pagbayaran yon. You are living your life. Hindi dahil may mali ka nagawa in the past, then kailangan mo ng parusahan araw-araw for the longest. What the card is saying is, bumangon ka. Kunin mo yung natutunan mo mula doon. Apologize if necessary. Then, mula doon sa pagkakabagsak mo, hayaan mong matuto ka kung ano yung mga dapat mo nang gawin, ano yung mga dapat mong sabihin, ano yung mga hindi mo na dapat gawin at hindi mo na dapat sabihin. Yes, there is regret, but at the end of the day, those regrets can also turn into wisdom. Learn to understand kung ano talagang nangyari, and from there, create a better future, create and do better decisions in life. So I hope nakatulong sa'yo yung reading, and I'll see you soon again.